Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add visual effects on your TikTok video. Please subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open your TikTok app, then click where it's written the plus button at the bottom and record a video. After that, on your right, click where it's written effects. So there is a lot of visual effects to choose from, so to add any, just hold down to it, and that's how to apply the effects. So maybe I will add this, also this. You're gonna hold down to it to apply any effects that you like. So this is how to add effects on TikTok video. So there's a lot. You can scroll left and choose any that you want, and that's it. This is how to add visual effects on your TikTok video. After that, you will save, and this is it. This is how to add visual effects on your TikTok video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.